Hi, I'm Grace, and I'll be your guide to this workshopway introduction. Workshopway is a system of human growth for education. With its strategies and resources, Workshopway provides equal opportunities for all students to learn how to learn how to think, and learn how to manage their lives. With all of the demands on teacher time, it is important to know that Workshopway is not another curriculum. Once incorporated into the classroom, Workshopway becomes just how we live in this classroom community. Success happens, regardless of the student's age, the number of students in the classroom, or whatever the content may be. Workshopway is a whole system that cultivates growth through the creation of 3 classroom environments: physical, social, and intellectual. The physical environment is evident in the daily Workshopway schedule of tasks. This schedule provides short tasks incorporating content and thinking skills. The social environment, created by teacher artistry, preserves student dignity, regardless of where the student may be in human or academic growth. The intellectual environment fosters the unique relationship between teacher, student, and content. Teacher artistry are those teacher behaviors, looks, and words that ensure that students feel intellectually safe. When they feel safe, they are willing to become engaged in learning, even at the risk of being right or wrong. Teacher artistry is the teacher's deliberate focus to keep the shine on students' human nature, therefore safeguarding the dignity of learners while they are in the learning and growing process. Workshopway is based on a philosophy that is student-centered. This philosophy allows teachers to instruct using techniques that nurture student growth by engaging with the content of the curriculum. Once students feel intellectually safe, they are willing to be involved in the learning. When students have learned how to learn how to think, and learn how to manage their lives, the natural result is the learning of the content. The content is the vehicle used in every part of the learning environment in a Workshopway classroom. The Workshopway system, its resources and techniques do not displace local, district or state requirements. Because the focus is on human growth for education, the system is effective and successful, regardless of the age of the students, the location of the class, the size of the classroom, or the content to be taught. In addition to the unique strategies that encourage social and intellectual growth, Workshopway offers resources designed specifically for literacy instruction and vocabulary building. 160 daily early literacy and phonics lessons provide the building blocks in reading for pre-K through grade 3. The daily vocabulary homework for all grades promotes not only increased word recognition and understanding, but also growth in students' responsibility, independence, work habits, honesty, self-confidence, and courage. While Workshopway is large, it is best implemented one section at a time to achieve human growth. The foundation of the system are the workshop schedule of tasks, the grade-level vocabulary homework and teacher artistry. Complete directions for using these resources are included with each resource. On-demand videos providing instruction are planned for the future. Visit www.workshopway.org. All materials are downloadable.